These fabulous fables of long, long ago is one that you're all sure to know. The hare and the tortoise are the stars of this show, with some hairdos and hairdos. That's what you're sure to know.
Now off to the forest let us descend, so we can meet a hare whose hair is about to be on end.
Brayden. That's a new one.
I am the fastest, I am the best, I am much faster than all of the rest, and it comes by my talents, honestly. You see, it's on the genes, it's my hair.
We're tired of your bragging and your conceited ways. Now someone's sure to outrace you one of these days.
I've risen since I was born, and no one's beat me since. I ain't conceited, no way, I'm convinced.
I'm tired of it, Harvey. You're always in our face. It's time for one of us to challenge you to a race. So I told the tortoise to say I'd like to try it.
A tortoise versus a hare? Now wouldn't that be a riot? That's the most harebrained idea yet.
Come on, Harvey. Do we have a bet?
Hairifically, hysterical, no effort will be spent. This will surely be the hair-raising event.
We'll set tomorrow at 9 for the race to begin. Now let's decide what the winner will win.
Well, prizes aren't really my thing, but I wouldn't mind a 14-carat ring.
When I win, Toby and Tortoise, you better say your farewell, because my present will be a lovely box made out of a tortoise shell.
Your hair trigger tucker army is out of line. Now let's all meet here tomorrow promptly at 9.
The race was on, and Harvey the hare said all of this in a snap. So halfway through the race, he decided to take a little nap. But let's take you back now and pick up the pace as we find out who wins this harrowing race.
What a truly lovely day to check out the flowers as I go on my way. Now let me see. If I've done this right, this finish line should soon be in sight.
We'd better wake him up, that's what I say. Come on, let's dance him with this lot of hair.
You better hurry up, Harvey. Take a chill pill, there's no need to worry. I'll hop to it right now. Oh no, can it be? Is that the tortoise ahead of me?
Cheers to you, Toby Tortoise. You won
The race begins in the prize, and you in the first place.
Wait a minute, that's not fair. I felt like winning.
Oh, yes, it is. The tortoise won by a hair. Sorry, Harvey. Looks like you only say you lose. Because you know the saying, you snooze, you lose.
Harvey really blew it, and I guess last time you could say that stray hair went really astray.
Well, losing that race caused Harvey such distress, he got a hair transplant and left no forwarding address. Now here's our friend Aesop with a little clue to the moral of this story that you've been privy to.
Always proceed at a common even pace, and you'll find that slow and steady surely wins the race.